Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to multiple images. You can find me on Instagram under Photography by Gina Chung and on Facebook under Photography by Gina Chung. Here we have our image. We're going to go ahead and click Actions. You can also find Actions under the Windows menu or by pressing Alt F9. We're going to create a group called Watermark. And we're going to go ahead and start our action, and we're going to name it Watermark 1. Once we press record, every single step that you do, it's just basically going to record it. Okay, so just follow step by step. We're going to go into our file, place, because you want to bring in your watermark, which is I have it right here. For this particular watermark, it is extremely big. You can leave it there. You can basically put it in any place that you like. I have my preference, so I like always to put it on the right hand corner. Preferably at the bottom. I don't want to get too close to the edge, so I'm just going to basically move it a bit to the side, and that looks just about right. I'll go ahead and slant it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and press Enter, and we are going to stop our action. With our action in place, which is Watermark 1, we are now going to go ahead and set up multiple images with this watermark. Our next step is we're going to go to File, Scripts, Image Processor. Now I have previously worked on a few images, and I'm going to go ahead and just add the watermark to these images all at once. We're going to select the folder. Okay, and we are going to, let's see where my pictures are at. Just go to my black and white collection. I already have this, and I have here click New Watermarked. Now before I do that, I do want to go ahead and pull that up so you can actually see that I do not have the watermark on these pictures. So that way I can show you the before and after. Okay. I'm just going to pull this one up. So this is the actual image I have. I do not have a watermark, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and add it on there. And I'll click. None of these have it, so we're just going to go ahead and add the watermark to all of these. Okay. So we have our file already selected, which is the new watermark. And click OK. And I want to go ahead and save it. I'm actually going to go ahead and save it in that same section, so it'll be easier for you to see the before and after. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to save it right back in there. You can save it anywhere you like. Okay, I like to keep this the same because I already have them as a JPEG. I like to convert it in the sRGB, and we're going to go into our group that we already it's taking a little longer here. Let's see. Let's do it one more time. Here, watermark 1. That's the one we just created. It's already set up as a watermark. I also like to add my copyright info, which is my name, onto the pictures embedded into the metadata. And we're going to go ahead and run. So we're just going to wait until it does its thing. You're going to see it running. It's going to open up every picture and add it. So we're just going to wait a couple of 1 or 2 minutes, and it should be done. Okay, by now I should done. See? Now it's pulling them up. As you can see, it's adding the watermark. The actions do run faster, it's just that because we're having the recording done, it is going a bit slower. It's done a couple of images. I'm going to go ahead and open the folder where the images that have been watermarked are, so you can start seeing the process. Here we go. It automatically does open up a new file, makes a whole new file. This is the one obviously that I showed you before without the watermark. And now we're going to go in this one, and you can see it's done 3 and it's working on the next one. And this one, as you can see, here is the watermark. It's going to add it on the right bottom corner of each picture, but I have assigned it to that file, as you can see.